Hey, Oren, thinking of tackling the transmission replacement on my F-150. Any advice?
Absolutely, it's a manageable DIY, but follow each step closely. Start by lifting the car and checking fluid levels. Hot tip, grab a friend, it makes things easier.
Gotcha. Guess someone's getting a dinner treat from me. Anyways, do I need to disconnect the battery?
Yeah. And it's easy. Open the hood, find that battery, and detach the negative terminal. Treat it like a breakup, no sparks flying.
LOL. I sure let no spark fly with my ex. Okay, but I am not sure where's the transmission dipstick. Any tip on that?
Check under the hood of your Ford. You'll find it, unlike your will to live.
Interesting. You know a lot, then you should Oren.
Anyways, what about removing the transmission?
Ah, that's the grand finale. You unplug, you unbolt, and kinda gently coax it out.
Whoa, someone's sneaky at getting things out. Okay, got it. Any tips for installing the new transmission?
Yeah. Align, secure, and bolt. And when filling the fluid, slow and steady wins the race.
You and your jokes, Oren. Next time I read about it, I'll end up cracking thanks to you.
Well, looks like you can do that quite soon. Auto Insider X has a new blog post just out on replacing the transmission for Ford F-150. Links in the description. You are welcome.
I'll go and check it out now. Thanks, Oren.